Training efficiency is one of the main advantages of semantic folding, compared to transformer models. The amount of data required to train a transformer model from scratch is gigantic, in the order of trillions of parameters. In comparison, training a new semantic space with semantic folding only requires a few million documents. Even to customize pre-trained transformer models, you need 5 to 10,000 labeled data, a quantity that is difficult to gather in most business use cases. With semantic folding, customizing a model requires only 100 to 200 documents. Comparing extraction performance on a public dataset of contracts shows that cortical.io outperforms Google ML with fewer than 100 annotated examples. This paves the way for a new breed of highly efficient AI-based applications to automate document-centric workflows in the enterprise. Curious to learn more about semantic folding? Visit our website to explore our videos and white papers.